Hi, my name is Yatish Kumar and I'm a certified mutual fund distributor. Today I'm going to show you how to generate transaction report in mutual fund ALSS scheme for the current financial year. This report is required for two reasons. One, for income tax return ATC calculation. Second, investment proof required by your CA. How to get the transaction report from NJ Wealth account? First and foremost thing, you should have NJ Wealth account. Second, you should have credentials for that eWealth account, user ID and password. Third, you should know the answers for secret questions of that eWealth account. Now I'm going to show you operation part of the how to get the transaction report. Click on the web browser. Browser is opened. URL to generate that report njwealth.in. Website will open. On this website, you have two parts, client desk login and eWealth account login. You have to choose eWealth account login. A new pop-up window will open. New window is open. Use credentials, NJ eWealth account credentials, user ID and password. I am using my user ID and password for demo purpose. After entering the user ID and password, click on login. Answer the question asked on the screen. Now, this will be your home page of NJ eWealth account. There are many options available in this account, but our intention, our priority is to generate the transaction report for the current financial year, particularly for ALSS scheme. For that, you need to go to the mutual funds. Please follow the cursor. In mutual funds, there will be four sections: transaction, utility, NFO transaction, and reports. Please go to the report section. In report section, please select the generate transaction confirmation statement. There will be different sections we need to adjust to get the report for the current financial year. Okay, NJ transaction ID, leave it like that. Exchange, it should be all. Product type, both. Scheme type, equity, please select the equity. Next, scheme subtype, please select ALSS. Scheme, select all. In the transaction type, we are interested only, in order to give the proof, we are interested only on the purchase part. So there will be 5 sections in the transaction type which we are interested. Select, use the control button and select 5 sections. 1, purchase PIP. Keep holding the control button. Next, select the purchase SIP, purchase SWI, purchase STP. Come to the down, switch in. Okay, these are the transaction type we have to select. 5 different types of transaction type we have selected. Next important part, we come to transaction date, from date. So select the first day of this financial year. The first day of the financial year will be 1st April 2020. And transaction date 2, it should be the current date, or you can select 31st March 2000 of next year. So in our case, we are doing it on the 27th December 2020. We have to select that date. If you select future date, system will give error. So it is always better to have the current date or 31st March if it is over. Okay, I have selected 27/12/2020 and then hit the button select. The report has been generated on the screen. So I have done 2 transactions on the 9th May and 28th July. I wanted to generate this report in a PDF form. For that, scroll down and hit the button generate. System will ask you to save this PDF. So you can select the wherever you want to store the file, you can select it. Say I save this on my desktop. Now I'm going to see that report. So this report has been saved in my desktop. I'm opening this report. I have the report, transaction report for the current financial year, which you can able to see. This report, please send it to your CA to show him a proof of making the investment. It is asked by your CA as well as your employer. Hope you know how to generate the transaction report for ELSS schemes. Thank you.